Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make pancakes. In order to make that, you need two teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. The first step is in a bowl, add in all the dry ingredients. First add the flour, the baking powder, and the sugar. Then mix them up until they're well combined. The second step is to add all the wet ingredients together. The eggs and the butter. First mix them up. Yeah, and after they're mixed together, slowly add in the milk. After you're done mixing all the wet ingredients together, slowly pour them into all the dry ingredients. You want to mix it slowly with a spatula because also over-mixing is a big problem. After mixing until it's become super soft like this, when it's at this point, that means it's good. And don't over-mix it because if you over-mix it, there'll be a lot of air bubbles in the batter. At this point, you can just cook it and eat it. And this is how you make a super fluffy and tasty pancake.